In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your email sending limits in Lemlist. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns or sending newsletters, controlling your email dispatch is vital for maintaining engagement and deliverability. To begin, navigate to your Lemlist dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage your campaigns, track emails, and access various settings. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see your profile there. Click on it. This will guide you to your personal settings area where all the configurations related to your account reside. Now, once you've clicked on your profile, you should see a list of options. Here, look for the settings option and click on it. This section allows you to manage various features and tailor your experience with Lemlist to suit your needs. With this access, you can adjust how Lemlist performs important functions such as sending limits, which is what we're focusing on today. Proceed to the next step by selecting Sending Limits. This crucial feature ensures that you aren't overwhelming your email list or running into issues with your email provider by sending too many emails too quickly. It's essential for maintaining healthy email deliverability rates and avoiding those dreaded spam folders. Once you're on the Sending Limits page, you'll need to choose the email address you want to set limits for. This ensures that you can customize different settings depending on the email accounts you're using. After selecting the appropriate email, you'll notice you can fine-tune the number of emails you're sending each day. Adjust these numbers according to your campaign needs and the recommendations from your email service provider. It's a good idea to start conservatively and then slowly increase the limits while monitoring your open and delivery rates. Now that you've set the daily email limit, it's time to finalize the process. Look for the highlighted area and click on it. This saves your adjustments and ensures that your Lemlist account will adhere to these settings moving forward. Take a moment to review your changes to ensure everything's in order. In summary, setting your email sending limits in Lemlist is a straightforward yet vital task. It not only helps maintain a healthy sender reputation, but also optimizes your email campaigns for success. Remember to revisit these settings periodically and adjust as needed based on your campaign performance and email deliverability metrics. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other tutorials to get the most out of Lemlist and enhance your email marketing strategies. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. See you next time.